range foothills including Idaho Springs and Evergreen, Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range in the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range and the Indian Peaks. High wind watch in effect from late Friday night through Sunday morning. The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a high wind watch, which is in effect from late Friday night through Sunday morning. Timing, midnight Friday night through mid-morning Sunday. Winds will subside slightly between Saturday mid-morning to Saturday late afternoon before increasing again Saturday evening. Winds, westerly at 45 to 55 miles per hour with gusts 65 to 85 miles per hour possible. The following impacts are expected. Travel will be hazardous, especially for lightweight and high-profile vehicles over high mountain passes, Highway 285 through Park County and over the Peak-to-Peak Highway due to crosswinds. A high wind watch means there is the potential for a hazardous high wind event. Sustained winds of at least 50 miles per hour, or gusts of 75 miles per hour or stronger may occur. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Colorado Avalanche Information Center. An avalanche warning is in effect for portions of the northern mountains of Colorado, including the Front Range Mountains and areas around Vail and all of Summit County, issued by the Colorado Avalanche Information Center. Timing began at 6 a.m. on Thursday, 2/15/2018, expires at 8 o'clock a.m. on Friday, 2/16/2018. Affected areas. This warning includes the Front Range, the Never Summer Mountains, Medicine Bow Mountains, 10-Mile Range, Gore Range, and areas around Vail. Avalanche danger is high or level 4 of 5. Near and above tree line. Reason: snowfall and strong westerly winds on Thursday will overload our weak snowpack and result in large natural avalanches in many areas. Precautionary preparedness actions. Avalanche conditions are very dangerous. Human-triggered and natural avalanches are likely. Backcountry travel is not recommended. Consult www.colorado.gov avalanche for detailed information. Strong winds